It sounds pretty good. I like it. It's got good bass. It's got good kick. I'm impressed.
The Treblab HD77, I have to say, I am so impressed with this little guy here.
Playtime's really good. This is awesome.
I was actually pleasantly surprised with how premium the HD77 felt. The HD77 does a fantastic job, but for the average everyday user, this is still really good.
They're giving you amazing sound quality for a really good price. This thing is fantastic. Really good battery life, will easily last you. Build quality on this thing is really good.
This is amazing. The Treblab HD77, fantastic speaker. Built really well. It's the best Bluetooth speaker in that price range by far. I'm very, very, very impressed.
And you could just see them pounding away. I think that's so awesome for less than $100. And I gotta say, I'm impressed. I say get it.
Hocus pocus.
Thank you.